Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and today I have a very exciting video to share with you. Today I am doing a bat-inspired Halloween makeup look. I got this headband from the dollar store and I knew I had to do a makeup look to go with it. So here I am. I'm very happy that we are in the month of October. I've been watching some Disney Halloween movies to get in the spirit. I bought some Halloween decor. I bought some Halloween candy. So we are ready for Halloween. I am hoping to do at least one more Halloween makeup tutorial, so stay tuned for that. And without anything else, let's get into the video. So I already did my foundation and concealer, and I also filled in my eyebrows, and then the first step for this is to prime your eyelids because we are going to want our eyeshadows to stick well to our eyes. This is the Paint Pot from MAC in the shade Painterly, but you can go in with concealer or any eye base that works for you. I'm going in with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette because it has a lot of the purples that I will be using later. You can just use any palette that you want for what color story you want. I just wanted to use purple to match my beautiful bat wing ears, and so I am just using a big fluffy brush. I'm taking this light pink shade that has a slight hint of purple in it, and I am blending that all over my crease and then working it upward. Now I'm taking a shade that has more purple in it, and I'm going to use a denser blending brush, and starting with the outer corner, I'm going to pack that color on and then blend it into the crease. Now I'm going in with a fluffy pencil brush, and I'm taking this dark purple shade. This is the shade that's going to deepen up the outer V of the eyelid, so I'm focusing that shade right there, and then I will blend it a little bit into the crease. And to make sure everything looks smooth and blends seamlessly, I'm taking my big fluffy brush and I am blending from the crease upward. Now I'm about to go in with a more shimmery shade, so I'm just wetting my flat shader brush, and I'm going to pick up this one color from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to begin to pack that all over my eyelid. Cleaning up the inner corner of my eye with a Q-tip real quick because some of the shadow fell there. Now to make this look a little bit more smoky, I'm going in with an eyeliner smudge brush. I'm taking a dark shade. It looks almost black, but there is a little bit of purple in it, and I am putting this right near my top lashes. Now I'm using a fluffy pencil brush to pick up that same shade, and I'm going to focus it on the outer V to darken up the eye look. Now I'm using my big fluffy blending brush to make sure there are no harsh lines where we just added that new color. Now I'm going in with the star of the show. This is the LA Girls Glitterholic Glitter Topper in the shade Frenzy, and I am going to adhere it to my eyelid with the NYX glitter glue. I just use my finger and then I wait for the glue to get tacky. I was a bit more cautious in the beginning, so I'm just using a tissue so that if any of the glitter falls down, it won't ruin my foundation. And I'm just patting the glitter onto my eyelid with a flat shader brush, and then I will blend it out slightly. keep this look very smoky, I'm going back in with that deep shade and I am deepening up the outer V. Now I'm picking up my denser, more precise blending brush and I'm blending these colors a little bit upward. Now I'm picking up a new purple shade and I'm going to use the eyeliner smudge brush to apply this to my lower lash line. Now I'm using a standard pencil brush to pick up that lighter purple shade, and I'm going to use this to blend out the lower lash line. Now I'm taking a pencil eyeliner, this one is from ColourPop, and I'm going to use it to line my waterline and my tight line. And I felt like I needed to blend again, so here I am, blending some more. Now for one of my favorite parts is highlighting the inner corner and the brow bone. I'm taking a precise highlighter brush and I'm picking up the second white shade in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This shade is really pretty because it kind of has like an iridescent pink-purple shimmer in it, and I think it ties this look together really well. And I'm lightly blending that out once again. Now I'm picking up one of the Rare Beauty blushes and I'm applying that to my cheekbones. I like to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I'm going to go in to contour and bronze my face. I'll use the brush as is to blend everything out, and then to get a more precise line, I'll squeeze the bristles together. This is helpful for the cheekbones and also if I contour my nose. Now to start on the bat wing, I'm taking a black liquid eyeliner and I'm going to start by trying to do a traditional wing, like a traditional line outward, and then I will add another line which will become part of the wing, and then a third line, and then what I kind of tried to do is create like a half circle shape to connect each line so that it looks like wings outstretching. So I tried to follow the similar technique on the other eye, and then I realized that one eye was way more dramatic than the other. But you know what? Hey, it's okay. We're gonna balance it out. I tried to look up simple bat drawing references before doing this, and ultimately I had this black eyeliner which I used, and I had to sharpen a few times just so I could get more precise lines. There is probably a better, easier way to do this than just with a pencil. Like if you have paint, you could use a very precise paintbrush, but this is just working with what I had, and ultimately I think it gets the point across. I decided I was going to draw a big bat right under the smaller wing, and then I would add smaller features on the other eye so that we could balance the positive and negative space and have the overall eye look balanced. I made a small triangle on the center of the lower lash line, and then I chose to add a smaller heart under the big wing. And I also added a tiny heart above the other eyebrow. Now I'm going to snap my mascara on, and I'm going in with a lipstick. This one has a rosy and purple undertone in it, and I just thought it would tie together the eyes, and so I'm applying this. This is the last step in the makeup look. And now I'm just adding my headband to complete everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and have a great day.